balancing work and while studying. How did you do that?
We need a direction. So academically gave that. The topics which I came across, they were very in line with the medicine. When I came back from the exam and I didn't do the yesterday's, the day before recalls.
Like AMC is increasing the difficulty and the new unexpected questions are kind of rising.
If I really say, I didn't find too many questions as new. So
Okay.
most of them were repeated.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Snigdha Sharma, Academic Head for Medical Courses from Academically. And as we are doing the interviews quickly of all the candidates with us, I have Dr. Mandeep. She has qualified the examination. And on that note, congratulations, Dr. Mandeep.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
What is this feeling?
I'm feeling very relieved now because I have been preparing for the exam for last 1 year. So at this point of time, when I looked at the result first, I thought that is it right or I'm going somewhere else or I'm interpreting it wrong. But then I sent it to Dr. Snigdha and she said, yes, you are passed. So that is very relieving kind of feeling. So I thank you so much to the team and yes.
Okay. So how was this journey? I can see that you are at work and just balancing work and while studying. How did you do that?
So this was not very easy because the work was there, no doubt, but there were other things also, other personal things. So we have to manage everything. So first of all, the academically that helped me to make a proper vision that how to prepare the things. So it is not the haphazard thing that I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So for the streamlining, we need a direction. So academically gave that. So, and I'm very thankful to this because without this, it will not be that easy. And so if I say that how I manage it with work, so I took 1 year, 1.5 years because of the work and everything only. Otherwise, if somebody is fresher, they can get it done in within 6 months or so. For the working person, it is a little difficult. And when you are revising the older things also. The positive point for me was that my branch is pediatrics, which is a kind of medicine branch.
Yes.
So the things which I was, the topics which I came across, they were very in line with the medicine. So I enjoyed preparing it. And so yes, somehow we have to manage it. Sometimes I have to take the time in the duties only 1 or 2 hours, and when I go back home after finishing my resting and everything, I have to spend 3-4 hours a day. Notes first, I came across the recorded sessions. Then I made notes from that, and I have revised these notes many times. So I would say 4 or 5 times. So I revised these notes only. And I have done as many questions as possible from telegrams, from the questions given in the app. And somewhere I joined the groups also to go with the recalls. So recalls helps a lot. So I would say on the last day also, when I came back from the exam and I didn't do the yesterday's, the day before recalls. But when I looked at those recalls, so there were 4 or 5 repeats from these questions only. So that is why I doubted that I may have not performed very well, but the result came well. So I would definitely say that recalls should be done. They are very important. Even the recalls from the previous day, they are very important.
Okay. Yes, it's commonly said that especially the exam week recalls, yes, the questions won't be repeated, but the topics are always repeated. There are only certain number of new topics that AMC can ask. Not more than 20 or 30. But, like AMC is increasing the difficulty and the new unexpected questions are kind of rising from 10 to 15 questions. They have gone up to 30 questions per examination session. What trick would you like to tell students to not get anxious while giving the exam when you look at a new topic?
When I have given the exam, if I really say, I didn't find too many questions as new. So most of them were repeated. I think there were only very few I would say 10 only, which I found that it could be new. But somewhere or somehow I have done the questions. So I don't think there is a need to panic, because
Okay.
majority of the questions, they are coming from the topics which we have already covered. So it is only that you just practice the question, so that at that time you would be able to understand what they are trying to answer. And if it is even if you have less time to attempt for that question, that your mind should be so trained that at that time also you are able to make the right choice. So I think it is all the practice. So revisions and the practice of the questions. So I don't
Okay.
think so there is a need to panic a lot regarding the new questions, because the lot of the questions, they are from the previous topics only.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So that makes sense. So on that note, Dr. Mandeep, I know you are at work. I don't want to trouble you more, but this is a very good day for you. And I hope you and your family who has supported you through this journey, because it's never easy working with a family and taking out time to study. I congratulate you and to your family, because they were your biggest support.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you, team.